my name is Ani. I'm a North Carolina realtor in the Charlotte metro area, and I want to take you on a Keystone Custom Home tour. And the floor plan is the Savannah. I want you to take a look at this. It's actually really cool. There's a study there. Upstairs, this will have a finished basement. This area will be the kitchen. As you can see, there is the space for the hood. And then there will be informal dining, sliding patio door over there. This is the family room with the wall of windows. It is 2-story, so we'll have tons of natural light opening up the room, opening up the space. And this will be where the fireplace will go. Here's the laundry room. You can see where the hot and cold water hookups are. For the dryer. Here's the owner's suite here. It's on the main level. And it will have a full finished bathroom as well. Looks like that's where the freestanding tub will go. And then the walk-in shower there. Back here is the walk-in closet. Of course, there's going to be a wall here to separate the garage. And then right here is the washroom. Gonna go upstairs. So here we have a nice large foyer that's gonna be overlooking the family room. Ooh, it's hot in here. This here is gonna be a dual sink. And then they're gonna have it closed off here. So you'll have the 2 sinks in a separate room than where the toilet and the shower is. So in this floor plan, there's typically 3 bedrooms upstairs, but they had enough space to add a 4th. So this will absolutely be a bedroom. And then there's one right over there. There's one over here. And then one on the opposite sides of the bathroom. So there's plenty of space here. Now this little area between the 2 bedrooms, I'm interested to see what this is going to be. I thought it would be a linen closet, but why would they put a window in the linen closet? So very interested to see what they turn that into. Now we're gonna head downstairs to the basement. Finished basements are always my favorite part of a home. And as you can see, there is tons of space down here that will allow for this to be like an additional home inside of a home. And I think that's what they are doing. So let's see. Yep, here in the basement, they have added an additional bedroom down here because they are going to install a full bathroom. So, sorry, don't look at that. That's kind of nasty. There'll be plenty of space for storage here. And let's look outside because I definitely want to see what their view is of the lake. So the lake is just beyond those trees over there. So they don't have a full view right now just because of the fact that it is summer, everything's in full bloom. But by the time fall, winter comes, they'll be able to see the lake right from their backyard. So I love that they have so many windows. I love that. It just opens everything up on the inside. And it looks like here they'll probably add just a small deck above so that there was the dining area where we just visited, and then coming out of the basement here. So a small deck. Thanks for taking this tour with me. If you need any information on how you can build your dream home, just reach out to me. I'll be happy to discuss your options with you. See ya.